Let's talk about the top 10 common medical myths. Number 10, sugar hyperactivity. Myth is sugar makes kids hyperactive. The actual fact is Dr. Breeman and Dr. Carroll, both pediatricians at the Raleigh Hospital for Children, recently said in at least 12 double-blinded randomized controlled trials, scientists have examined how children react to diets containing different levels of sugar. Number 9, body heat. The myth is you lose most of your body heat through your head. You lose most of your body heat through your head. A military study many years ago tested the loss of temperature in soldiers when exposed to very cold temperatures. They found a rapid heat loss in the head, and so the idea that we lose heat through our heads was born. But it was actually myth. Number 8, water consumption. The myth is you should drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. The origins of this myth is most likely due to the fact that a 1945 government agency said the human body needed around 8 glasses of fluid a day. Number 7, gummed up. So the myth is chewing gum takes 7 years to pass through your system. We have all been told at least once in our life by a concerned adult not to swallow gum as it will take 7 years to leave our bodies. This is right up there with the whole fruit seed growing a tree in your stomach. Silliness. But while most adults realize the tree story is a myth, they don't realize that the gum one is too. Next thing is number 6, arthritic knuckles. The myth is cracking your knuckles will cause arthritis in later life. The cracking sound in the knuckles is caused by the bones moving apart and forming a gas bubble. The sound is the bubble bursting. Number 5, baby teeth. The myth is teething causes a fever. Scientific studies have been done in the area of teething which show no correlation at all between fever and teething. If your baby is suffering from a new tooth and they also have a fever, it is advisable to check for other causes for the fever. Number 4, cancer treatment. The myth is cancer treatment is painful and pointless. Furthermore, cancer is incurable. While this may have been almost true 30 years ago, medical advances have meant that modern cancer treatments are far more effective and cause less suffering for the patient. Number 3, back pain. The myth is back pain should be treated with bed rest. The opposite is actually true in this case. Bed rest can prevent the lower back from fully recovering, or at the very least delay the recovery significantly. Number 2, turkey sleep. The myth is eating turkey makes you sleepy because it contains tryptophan. But the fact is this is one of the most common myths on this list, and it pops up every year around Thanksgiving. But actually chicken and ground beef contains almost identical quantities of tryptophan as turkey does. The last one, number 1, is midnight snacks. Myth is eating at night makes you fat. Secret snackers rejoice. This is a complete myth. It doesn't matter what time of day you eat, as long as you eat only the total calories that you burn each day. You will not gain weight. Anyway, these are the top 10 common medical myths